Hello everyone. Let us now study about biotechnology sector in India. The biotechnology sector of India is a highly innovative R&D based industry with a strong growth trajectory. The sector has got immense growth potential and can play a very good role in innovative manufacturing hub. Hyderabad is one place. The sector is one of the most significant sectors, putting out our best face to the world. India is among the top 12 biotech destinations in the world and is third in Asia Pacific. It is the second highest number of FDA approved plants. After USA, it is the largest producer of recombinant hepatitis B vaccine. Out of the top 10 biotech companies in India, 7 have expertise in biopharma and 3 specialize in agri-biotech. India has no dearth of talent in biotechnology. A number of institutions, government and autonomous, provide degrees and training. Government of India has provided adequate scope to this sector through R&D in the field of biotechnology. Now, coming to the market size, the Indian biotech industry holds about 2% share in the total global biotech industry, very poor. The biotechnology industry in India, comprising about 800 companies, is valued at $11 billion and is growing at a CAGR of 20% per annum. The government has to invest $5 billion to develop the human capital, infrastructure and research initiatives to realize the dream of $100 billion by 2025, as per the Union Minister. Biopharma is the largest sector, contributing about 64% of the total revenue, followed by bioservices, that is 16%, bioagri 14%, bioindustry 3%, and bioinformatics 1%. The high demand for different biotech products has also opened up scope for the foreign companies to set up base in India. India has emerged as a leading destination for clinical trials, contract research, and manufacturing activities owing to the growth in the biotechnology services, bioservices sector. Now, what are the investments in this sector which have a direct bearing on our share market and share prices? India's biotech sector has attracted significant amount of attention over the past 2 decades. Several global companies have aggressively joined hands with Indian companies due to strong generic biotechnology potential. And the recent investments are: number one, the Telangana state government's flagship pharma and biotech event, BioAsia 2017, recently concluded, attracted investments to the tune of 3,382 crores, that is 507 million US dollars. During the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2017 recently concluded, 54 MOEs worth 5,022 crore in the biotechnology sector were signed by 37 companies. Syngene International Limited, a contract research services arm of Biocon Limited, is setting up a drug discovery and development center in Bengaluru for Amgen Inc., a biotechnology company based in the US. US-based medical devices maker Boston Scientific Corp plans to make India its biggest research and development hub outside the US, as it plans to develop devices like stents, catheters, pacemakers at its Gurgaon facility, Gurugram nowadays, for the Asia Pacific, Middle East and African markets. Frost and Sullivan has signed a MOU with the Neotia University to set up biotechnology parks in India. Biotechnology giant Monsanto has planned to set up a seed plant in Buldhana, Maharashtra. Global beverage maker Pepsi has planned to set up another unit in the state of Maharashtra to manufacture mango, pomegranate and orange-based citrus juice. Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, the funding agency of Department of Biotechnology, has planned to allocate around 100 to 200 crore for its biotech equity fund, which aims to provide financial assistance to biotech and life sciences startups. Canada's Centre for Commercialization of Antibodies and Biologicals have partnered with ZS Cadila to manufacture antibody-based cancer treatments. Shanta Biotech Private Limited has started building a facility to manufacture insulin product to treat diabetes. French pharma company Sanofi SA, which acquired Shanta Biotech in 2009, through its vaccine division, Sanofi Pasteur SA, is investing 460 crores, that is $69 million to build the facility, that at full capacity will produce 60 million insulin cartridges annually. Hyderabad headquartered vaccine manufacturer Indian Immunological Limited, part of the National Dairy Development Board (NDDB), is setting up a new vaccine manufacturing facility in Puducherry, involving an investment of 300 crore, that is US dollars 45 million. This is the fourth facility for IIL, which currently has two facilities in Hyderabad and one in OT. Bristol Myers Squibb and Syngene International, the contract research subsidiary of Biocon, has announced a 5-year extension of their drug discovery and development collaboration in India. The Baba Atomic Research Park, through its Center for Incubation of Technologies (CIT), has signed an MOU with Veena Industries Nagpur for incubation of technology for biodegradable and edible films for food and pharmaceutical packaging. And this is the company to look for, Veena Industries Nagpur. Aurobindo Pharma announced that its board of directors have approved the proposal for setting up a joint venture with Tenjin Biotech, a vaccine development company based in India. Tenjin is currently working on development of pneumococcal conjugate vaccine through use of novel vaccine technology, compressing time and cost, thereby making such vaccine available at affordable cost to India. Government initiatives. A network of technology centers and promotion of startups by the SIDBI are among the steps taken by Government of India to promote innovation and entrepreneurship by MSME Ministry. Government of India has taken several initiatives. Department of Biotechnology with NBTB and other autonomous bodies of biotech sector are working together to project India as the global hub for research and development and business excellence. Now, what are the initiatives of the government in this sector? 1. In the Union Budget 17-18, Department of Biotechnology received 2,222 crore, an increase of 22% to continue implementing the National Biotech Strategy and target increasing the turnover of the sector from 7 billion to 100 billion by 2025 dollars. The Telangana government inked an MOU with PE firm Cerestra to explore life science infrastructure fund with a corpus of 1,000 crore to create a sophisticated modular plug-and-play infrastructure for pharma, biotech and medical devices industry. Dr. Harshavardhan, Union Minister for Science and Technology, inaugurated India's first cellulosic alcohol technology demonstration plant developed by indigenous technology with a capacity of 10 ton per day. The Regional Center for Biotech Bill 2016 has been approved in Lok Sabha, which aims to provide the status of national importance to Regional Center for Biotechnology for facilitating transfer of technology and knowledge and making it a hub for biotechnology expertise in the Asian region. The Government of India has relaxed norms for import and export of human biological samples, doing away with the import licenses and export permits in an effort to improve the ease of doing business. Government of India has signed a cooperation agreement with the European Molecular Biology Organization to strengthen scientific interaction and collaborative research between India and Europe. The Government of India aims to scale up the number of startups in biotechnology sector 1,500 to 2,000 over the next 2-3 years. The Government of India is planning to launch a venture capital fund of 1,000 crore under the Department of Pharma to support startups. Government of Karnataka plans to raise 50 crore for a biotechnology dedicated fund in addition to the existing semiconductor fund of 100 crore. CSIR, Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, has signed a MOU with the Biotech to formalize transfer of technology for unique autoclavable superoxide dismutase enzyme used in cosmetic, food, pharma industries for end applications. So that's the company to look for. DBT has announced Indo-Australian Career Boosting Gold Fellowship to support the researchers to undertake collaborative research. DBT has allocated 4.6 crore to University of Agricultural Sciences to support multi-institutional project, a value chain in jackfruit. Under 12th 5-year plan, Government of India plans to strengthen regulatory science and infrastructure involving setting up of biotechnology, Regulatory Authority of India and a central agency for regulatory testing and certification labs. Foreign direct investment up to 100% is permitted through the automatic route to greenfield and through the government route for brownfield for pharma. National guidelines have been laid down to ensure that research with human stem cells is conducted in a responsible and ethical manner and complies with all regulatory requirements pertaining to biomedical research in general and of stem cell research in particular. Now, what is the road ahead? How is it going to? With the country offering numerous comparative advantages in terms of R&D, knowledge, skill, cost effectiveness, biotech is going to be the next global key player. India constitutes 8% of the global generics market by volume, and there is a huge untapped opportunity. It has a marginal share. India has a very marginal share in industrial enzymes. It can grow there. Another field is biomarkers and companion diagnostics. India has all the ingredients to become a global leader. It has an annual investment of 4 billion to 5 billion in the next 5 years. Biotech can grow to 100 billion in 25% return. So this is the sector to watch for, Indian biotech industry. Invest in that. All the best.